I gotta try and get her to eat more fish, chicken like that. Cause...
Good morning, Philippines!
Binalik ko na naman itong damit ko kahapon. Binalik ko siya, but hindi nag-focus. Yeah, binalik ko lang siya kasi pupunta ako sa Home Depot. Nakalimutan ko pala namin ni Tami kahapon bumili ng bag sa garbage bag. Nakalimutan namin bumili, so kailangan kong mayroong garbage bag dahil wala na ako garbage bag. Yung black bag ba? Wala na. Meron akong laundry kagabi. Naglo-laundry ako kagabi dahil gusto ko, nilabhan ko yung blanket at saka nilabhan ko din yung ano, ang tawag ito yung sinuot ko kahapon ba nung nag-garden ako, yung yellow. Sinuot ko siya and madumi, singot, plus maybe mayroong poison ivy oil. So, nilabhan ko siya para mawala yung kung ano man yung... Okay, let's go out. Did you eat, baby? Dirty naman at ducky-duck-duck. Did you eat, my love? Mama doesn't know how to cut your hair. Look at you. You look a penguinic. You look funny. Did you eat? Give me the ducky-duck-duck. No, give it to Mama. She look different, oi? What? Aday. Give it to Mama. Oh, give it to me. Come here. I like when she has that long hair, guys. Gusto ko yung... Hello, baby. Oh my God, kusgana. Oh, you're very strong, man, oy. Good girl. Good girl. And good girl ni Mama. Good girl, man, oy. You're such a good girl, man, oy. You know how to give ducky-duck-duck to me, huh? You know it, huh? You know it. I love you and I know it. I love you and you know it. I love you. Aray. I love you and you know it. I love you and you know it. I love you. Look at that kusgana. Oh, you're very strong. You cannot bring that outside. You cannot bring this outside. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. You cannot bring this outside. You cannot bring this outside. Kami. Look, tignan nyo. Kunin talaga. Ilabas lagi. Dili lagi na pwede ilabas. Dili lagi na pwede ilabas. Dili lagi na pwede ilabas. Let's go out. Come. I'll be right back. Mama need to go get some bag. Mama need to go get some bag. I will be right back. Yeah. I'll be right back. You're being a good girl. You be a good girl here. Huh? I know Dada won't come back here until next week, huh? Yes, it was. Hi guys, andito na ako. Nag-change na ako. Ano siya? Naugan na. Ano tawag nito? Na-dry na siya. So, ready to wear na. Ito na lang din yung susuotin ko. Jeans. Before tayo lalabas, himos man na. Ay, pagkagwapa na lang ni Misty. Pagkagwapa ni Roxy. Pagkagwapa ni Misty na. Hello, Mitch. Hello, Mitch. Iba naman tingin ni Misty na. Ay, iba naman tingin ni Bibi naman.
I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing. Keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. In immortality.
So this is from the latest collection of BLK Cosmetics, yung K-Beauty line, which was launched at the Dessert Museum a couple of weeks back. So you can see.
stop outside guys kasi ang sobrang init guys. As in. So, ito yung mukha ko. Mukha pa rin ewan. Walang pagbabago ito mukha ko guys. Ewan pa rin na ewan. So, nagbihis ako dahil Makati yung sinusuot ko na yellow. Lalabhan ko na naman yun at saka sasuotin ko bukas. And,
Yes. I gotta try and get her to eat more fish, chicken, like that, because she's not getting enough protein, which means their brain will deteriorate faster. Because your brain needs protein. What do you know?
what time is you're out there?
Well, they say 11 o'clock, but we'll see.
It's really late.
Yeah, well, it's the mayor's office. Having an event on oh my God. And that's it.
Okay then. Right here, the same thing. So freaking hot.
Well, it's nice when I fan outside, but that's because it's 100 inside. When I fan outside, at least it's cool compared to inside.
Yeah, I mean, I'm talking when I was like in the middle of the day working outside.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure. If you're working in the sun, you know it's going to be hot.
So you. Sarap. Done guys, done. Hi guys! Mag-insert shoutout ako guys. And yes, hi baby, I love you. I love you. I know you love me too. I know. I know you. Hi sa inyo guys. And then mag-shoutout lang ako. Pasensya na guys kasi very light sa sa likuran ko. Naka-open kasi yung blind namin. So yeah, so hi po sa inyo. She's very clingy, guys. Very clingy. She always, when I'm in the laptop, she climb on my lap and then sit down. I still have the poison ivy here. I put soap. I put soap. Anyway, so she's very clingy and she always wants attention and she wants to be like on my lap while I'm editing. She's in the side of the couch and then squeeze her body. Yeah, I love you. Yes, I do love you. That is what she wants. She wants attention. She just, I love you so much, Oy. I love you, Oy. I love you so much. Oh, your sister's coming. Hi, sister. Hi, sister. Hi, sister. Ito, sister. Oy, sister. Hello, sister. Hi, sister. Hi, sister Mitch. Sister Mitch. Sister Mitch. Sister. Amity. Call Amity. Amity. Look, your sister walk away because I touch you. Because she is always like that. She walk away. I love you. I love you. I have to do shout out, okay? I'm gonna do shout out, baby. Don't grab my hand. Look at this girl. She grabbed my hand. I'm gonna do insert shout out. Look. I'm gonna insert shout out, okay? Hi kay Marita Benites Nicolas. Hi sis. Salamat sa panonood sis. I-try natin yung kanta na gusto mo, Celine Dion. Hindi naman ako magaling magkanta, guys. Hi kina Jezebel Castro. At saka sa Jezebel Castro from Kidapawan, North Cotabato. Hi po sis. Salamat po sa panonood. Jezebel Castro from Kidapawan. Oh my goodness, Kidapawan. And also si na Cheryl Itamaldita. Aglob yun ang Facebook name niya. Hi po, salamat sa panonood. Roxy, oy, ginoo ko Rox. Okay. And also hi kay Vanji D is color. Hi po sis, thank you for watching. Magpapa-shoutout daw si Namira Atok from Turkey. Hi sis Mira. And hi din kay Ila Bash. Hi, Ila Bash mo na yan. Hi po, thank you for watching. And also si Connie San Jose. Thank you sis Connie. Salamat sa panonood. Hi po sis Connie. At si May Manalo Malakad. Hi po. Manalo Malakad. Thank you so much guys for watching. And yeah, so I think yun lang. And yeah, what are you waiting? Are you waiting for something? Are you waiting for something? Mama has pain. I have pain, Rox. Mama has a pain. Pin di Sara, pin di kutsilyo di almatin. How di Carabao di back to tin. Hello, baby. Hello. I need to cut your hair on your face again. I have to do that again. Your hair grow really fast, mates. Your hair grew really fast. Yes, I need to cut your hair, my love. So, ngayon is different day na ngayon, guys. And ano lang ako, guys, nag-i-edit ng video. Hello, mate.
Huh?